Hi everyone, it's Kino here. This is a quick 10 minutes of strength for when you want to build strength, but you don't have that much time. So let's get started. Close your eyes, hands in prayer, deep breath in. As you exhale, firm the muscles of the pelvic floor and open the eyes. Now, I love working on strength, and I hope you do too. We're gonna get started on the hands and knees. So come on over to your hands and knees, drop the knees in towards each other. Let's activate the muscles of the pelvic floor. Hold your hands and knees plank for 5 breaths. We got 1, 2, 3. Let's fire up the shoulders for 4. Almost there. 5. Let's inhale, bring it up to plank. All right, say hello to your plank. Hi plank, how are you? We got 1. Bring a little amusement into your strength work for 2, 3. Feel the core turning on. 4, 5. Let's say hello to side plank. Drop your left knee down, pop it over and inhale. Bring it over to side plank for 1. Keep it stable. 2, 3. Nice. Easy does it. Work steadily. Don't force it. Let's do 1 more breath. Nice. Switch your gaze down. Let's bring the hands down. We're going to do the other side. Bring that right knee down in alignment with the right hand, your left hand back. Inhale. Lift up the left arm. Stabilize for 1, 2, 3, 4, almost there, don't overdo it. 5, switch the gaze down, drop that hand down, bring it back to your hands and knees, and then stabilize the shoulders. Curl the toes under. Now we're gonna do the floating plank. All right, so pitching into the shoulders. Let's activate the muscles of the shoulder girdle and the upper body. Firm the lower abdomen and then float that plank. Good, so lift the knees up with the strength of the lower abs for 1, 2, let's just try to everybody relax the neck and keep it happy. 3, 4, shoulders are burning, that's the whole point, don't stop. 5, let's say hello to regular plank. Straighten the legs, bring them together for 1, 2, don't give up. 3, soften the neck and your face for 4, keep breathing. Now we're gonna get ready to bend the elbows to go down for Chaturanga Dandasana. Exhale, bend the elbows, come on down. Inhale, upward facing. We got a big breath in. Exhale, downward facing. Big breath out. Good job. Okay, let's hold downward dog for 5 breaths. We have 1. Deep breath in, deep breath out. 2. Deep breath in, deep breath out. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, sink the knees down. Now, inhale, let's go for bird dog. So left arm and right leg for 1, 2, 3. Keep reaching, reaching. 4, the gaze is gently down. 5, take the left elbow and touch the right knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, touch. Inhale, let's reach. Exhale, touch. Inhale, let's reach. Exhale, touch. 2 more. Inhale, reach. Exhale, touch. Inhale, reach and hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost there. 5. Put it down and let's round the back. And switch the sides. We get the right arm to the left leg. That's it. Good. Have fun with it. 2, 3, see if you can soften your face a little, keep a little joy. 4, almost there. 5, now let's touch the right elbow to the left knee. Inhale, extend. Exhale, touch. Inhale, let's extend. Exhale, touch. Inhale, extend. Exhale, touch. Inhale, extend. Exhale, touch. 2 more. Inhale, extend. Exhale, touch. Inhale, extend and hold for 1, 2, reach, reach, reach. 3, 4, and 5. Put it down. Let's round it under. Good job. Then inhale, come on back to plank. Good. Hold it there for 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's come all the way over to side plank. You can choose to sink the knee down, or you can stay here and extend the arm up. Keep it stable. 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost there. 5. Switch the sides. Your right hand goes down. Pivot on over. You can sink the knee down. You can gaze at the right hand, or you can lift up the left arm for 1, 2. Use the transverse abdominals. 3. Don't give up. 4, 5. Sink it down. Exhale. Bend your elbows. Let's find that chaturanga. Inhale. Upward facing. Exhale. Downward facing. All right. Now we're going to use downward dog as kind of a launching pad for plank pose. So find your downward dog. Find the shoulders. Then inhale, come forward, plank, and all the way back to downward dog. Inhale, come forward, find your plank. Exhale, push it back, downward dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, downward dog. 2 more. Inhale, plank. Exhale, downward dog. Last one. Inhale, plank, hold it there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross your feet. So cross the shin bones. Stay there for a moment. All right. Exhale, sit down. Good job. Now, let's extend the legs forward. Hands next to the hips. Breathe. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Forward bend is a big part of your strength, so we're going to work our forward folds right now. Draw the navel in and pivot forward. You could hold on to your ankles, or you might find the grip on your toes or your feet. Deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Good job. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, almost there. 5. Inhale, let's lift the head up. Exhale here. We're going to do reverse tabletop and release the front body. Feet are going to be hips width apart. We're going to send the pelvis up and forward. Inhale, let's lift the hips and drop the navel in for 1. Really focus on the navel in. That's going to help release the front body. 3, 4, 5. Exhale, sink it down. Nice. Let's bring the blocks on over. And let's see if we can work a little combo here. All right. Ready for our combo experience. What's the combo going to be? You know, there's a lot of combos we can get. Is it going to be the combo with, you know, what kind of combo? Let's find out. All right. We're going to do an L-sit combo. So we're going to extend the legs forward, give a little bend to start, and then I want you to inhale, hips back and up, send it forward, the pelvis is up and forward, and back to your L-sit. Swing it forward. So we kind of come up to reverse tabletop, back to the L-sit, swing it forward to the reverse tabletop, back to the L-sit. Reverse tabletop, we bring it up and forward. Hips move back. 2 more. Up and forward. Swing it back to the L-sit. Up and forward. Back to the L-sit. I want to hold it here for 1, 2, 3. Don't give up. 4, 5. Exhale, sink it down. Let's shake the hands out for a moment. It's a lot of work with the hands. All right. Now, let's move the blocks over to the side. Move them on over. Separate your feet. Drop the knees in towards each other and roll the spine down. Constructive rest position here for a moment. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. 1 more. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Very good. Now let's do one more movement just to target the midsection of the body. Tuck the tailbone lightly under and firm this area. Let's hold underneath the head and just inhale, lift the shoulders up off the ground and hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, almost there, 5. Inhale, we put it down. We're going to add a challenge to the next one. Inhale, we bring it up, hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, almost there. Ready for the challenge? Fold your knees in for 2, 3, 4, 5. Set the feet down, separate them, and put it down. Last one. Inhale, we lift it up, hold for 1, firm the midsection, 2, 3, don't give up, 4, you can do it. 5, lift it up for the challenge. Tight little ball for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, put the head down. Exhale. Let's go for Supta Baddha Konasana for a couple of breaths. Release the inner thighs. If this is not comfortable, put the blocks underneath the knees. 5 breaths here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Extend the arms and legs out. Close your eyes. Feel the breath, feel the body. Feel your heartbeats. Make the commitment to be a little bit stronger every day and find out what strength is physically, emotionally, spiritually. After you feel your heartbeat return to that resting state, then the body has rested and we found our equilibrium again. So give yourself a little breath in with a little wiggle, a little stretch. As you exhale, let's fold the knees up into the chest, a little squeeze. Roll over onto your side. And then let's inhale and we'll come on back to a comfortable seated position. Close the eyes, settle into your breath, your body, your mind. Hands in prayer. As you exhale, softly open the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me on this practice. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love. The journey of strength is something to go on every day. If you're enjoying these practices with me, I'd love to see you practice live with me on my channel, Omstars.com. So come check it out if you're not a member already, and I'll see you on the mat real soon.